Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you friends how you can actually set the default launcher in the Realme X2 device friends. Right now you can see friends, I set the default launcher in the Realme X2 device to another launcher, third party launcher. So before starting the video friends, subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description friends if you want to know exactly what wallpapers I am using currently here. And regarding the wallpaper, there is another playlist which I have created only for the wallpaper friends, so which I did on plenty of other phones, Poco X2, Redmi Note 9 Pro and other devices, Realme X2. So definitely friends, take a look at the playlist in the description below, and also don't forget to join in the Telegram group friends, so where I'll be posting plenty of promo codes for the wallpaper application and other wallpaper related promo codes. So stay tuned by joining in the Telegram group and subscribing to my channel friends. So right now I'll be in this video I'll be showing you how you can set the default launcher in the Realme X2 device. So not only in the Realme X2, even in the Realme UI as well. So let me show you friends what you can do. So this without the Realme UI in the Realme X2 phone. So if you're using the Realme phones, any other previous model with the color OS, then this is a way how you can do friends. So first you need to go to the settings and find this kind of option where you can find app management. So once you get the app management, just select the default app. So here you get the home screen, as you can see friends. So when you see the home screen, just tap on that and you can get through the all different launchers. The same thing applies to the Realme UI as well friends. So even in the Realme UI there is option for the app management. So in the app management you get the default app option. So in the default app you can select the launcher, and in the launcher you can select friends even third-party applications, third-party launchers, as you can see clearly. So you can change it to any other launcher. So that's it friends. This is the simplest way to change to the third-party launcher in Realme phones before Realme UI and after Realme UI friends. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel friends. Don't forget to joining in the Telegram group, and also do check the links in description friends for the playlist of wallpapers, which is very good. So that's it for this video friends. If you have any queries regarding this Realme phones, you can do comment below. So definitely I'll be trying to post plenty of videos. Recently the Realme X has got the update, and Realme X2 device not yet got the update friends. Still I'm looking for the update. So as you can see, still it's detecting, and I did not get the update right now. So every day I'm trying to check in the Realme X2 device. I did not get at all. So luckily I got in the Realme X device, and I did plenty of Realme UI features friends, explaining the features what it got updated. As you can see, I uploaded more than 30 videos on the Realme UI alone. So take a look at the playlist as also friends, Realme UI, so you can understand better what are the things got changed, because there are plenty of other things which got changed in the Realme UI friends. And that's it for this video friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.